Okay, we will now take another bus. We want to go to the lake, to the East Lake. So I searched for it on my phone with Baidu Maps, and then I got the information it's bus number 14 from here, and then you can see it here at the bus stop. There's number 14, and we have to go to the last stop. It says it costs €1. Maybe it's more expensive when the air conditioning is running, could be 2, but we will see when we get in the bus. It will be written there. So on Baidu Maps you can see the stop where we are at the moment, then that we have to take bus number 14, and for 13 stops, which will take around 37 minutes. And here's the last stop where you have to get off. Just walk another 12 meters and then we are at the lake. So we just wait for the bus and then get in and see the lake. Hi, we just arrived at East Lake, and here it seems it's very beautiful, not so crowded, and I will now walk along the lakeside and check what beautiful scenery we can see there, take some pictures, take some videos and show you around East Lake. So enjoy! Hi, we are still at the East Lake, and we just took this boat on a wild ride on the lake. Actually, it's intended to go fast, but the other passengers wanted to go slow to enjoy the scenery. So most of the part we went very slow, but then the driver at the end showed us what the boat really can do. I've put everything in the video. What you can also see is how good the stabilizers are used. So the camera will be very stable, but the boat will move a lot. So enjoy the footage of the ride. now want to buy some stuff from Walmart, and before you go to the market, and you have to put your backpack somewhere. So there's my backpack, and I have to put it here because I'm not allowed to bring it inside. So we have to first. So there's no free space. We have to go inside with the backpack. Okay, so we asked somebody at the entrance, and they allowed us to go inside with our bags, so no problem. So I need some new chopsticks for home, and in my opinion the best place to buy some chopsticks is the supermarket, because here they are reasonably priced and not as expensive as in the tourist areas, and they work quite as well. So we got the chopsticks, and we also got some German beer for the father of my wife to give it to him as a present. I hope he will like it. So here we will have dinner tonight, and we already checked the menu outside. It looks very good. They have several interesting dishes here. And to make it easier for me, they have a lot of pictures and also some English. So that's the dish I have eaten already 2 times while I'm here this time. And just to give you a quick overview what they have, just a lot of things. If you really don't know what to eat, just get some spaghetti with tomato sauce. Some eggs. Also, this looks very nice. Some beef with fried pepper. And I'm searching for something. Yeah, here's some vegetables. So here's some cauliflower, some potato with pork slice, also very interesting. And I really want to eat this ones. Tomato sauce glutinous rice stuffed with meat. It looks very, very good. And also the dried fried beans are very good. Also the cabbage, I really like the cabbage. So I think I will get around 3 dishes. And when it's here, I will show you how they look in real life. So now we will order. So if you want to call a waiter or a waitress, you just push the button here, and somebody will come and take the order. So this is our first dish, the cabbage, and it's really good. The second dish arrived, potatoes, and there should also be some meat in it, maybe under the potatoes. The potato is already very good. There's also some meat. So we want to go to the bank, but first we have to walk by the dancing aunties, and hopefully we can go to the bank without dancing with them. So the whole place, there are people dancing. So when you turn around, there are also some, and where we came from, there are more. But we arrived at the bank, so we survived without dancing. So these are the dancing aunties everywhere in China. So our hotel requires proper dress to go inside. I'm not sure if this is proper dress, but they didn't say anything, so I assume this is exactly the right dress to go in the hotel.